Alright guys, hope you enjoyed that tutorial. So real quick, I'll just break it down for you if you didn't quite get it. That's basically how to turn a 360 into a crappy tricker style cart full. My cart full isn't the cleanest, but basically what you want to do is you want to just start with a simple 360. You want to get used to the body motion of you know, tightening your upper body so you spin faster. Then basically you just practice the 360 off of a cartwheel, you know, get used to that, and then start popping that a little bit more. And then you want to take a step back and actually face forward and do a 540, because in the actual cart full, I'm basically facing forward. I'm cheating it that bad to where, like, when I finish, I'm facing the way that I came from. And that's basically combining a 180 like hop over type dealio with a 360, but I'm not even really doing a 360 even. It's basically only like a 270. If you watch it in slow motion, you see what's happening. Cart to a pop 360, it's basically kind of like doing a B twist almost. It's cheating that bad. So if you're a form freak, if you are like, you know, someone who really wants to get that form right, you can probably apply these same techniques, but you would just want to start a little bit more backwards. All right, I like to lean forward into it. You would want to start your rotation here, okay, so it would be more real. But hopefully I didn't butcher that explanation. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this 360 tutorial, but I know my form isn't the cleanest for this move, so bear with me, but I hope you guys get the gist. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for your support. Don't forget to subscribe. I got more videos coming out. Let me know if there's any other moves you guys want me to turn a 360 into, basically. I've already done quite a few other moves on this, so check those out. Don't forget to subscribe. Hope you guys all have a good one. Peace. I'll see you all in the next video. Focus.